Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. Today I found this lipstick laying around. This is from KVD Vegan Beauty and it looks something like this. A berry shade, absolutely gorgeous. I don't wear a bold lipstick most of the time. Just so into nudes that I don't really experiment with my lip shades. But today I really want to do a look around this color. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do my eyes first, so let's get started. I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer on my eyelids to serve as a base. This one is from Essence. And blend this in. I think I want to do a halo eye, but a fairly intense halo eye. I'm going to use a black pencil to serve as a base to make the colors pop and make everything look more intense. This one is from Sephora Collection. Just a black eye pencil. I really like this one for the fact that it's easy to blend before it dries, of course. And with my pencil brush, this is a Morphe M149, I'm going to blend this. And the same thing on my other corner. And this I'm going to extend towards my other corner. Kind of like a wing liner, and lift it up a little bit to create the illusion of a more lifted outer corner. And I'm just going to intensify the base on both my inner corner and my outer corner. And I think I'm going to do my lower lash line as well, just to see how everything will look together. So I'm applying the pencil on my waterline and a little bit on my other corner so I can connect it to the top part. As eyeshadow today I'm going to go for the Berries by Juvia's Place to match with that beautiful lipstick. I'm going to use the same brush and pick up this shade, and basically I'm going to go over the pencil. The black underneath is going to give that intensity to this berry shade. First I'm stamping the color and apply it on my lower lash line as well. To blend things out, I'm going to use this pink shade on a Morphe M506 brush. And I'm placing this above the previous shade. And I'm blending all sides of that previous shade. So here in the middle as well, underneath of this shade as well. And of course lower lash line. And then switching to the inner corner, same thing. Blending all the edges. And see how I left my crease bare here in the middle. The eyes came out a little bit heavier than I intended, but whatever. I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This was clean before I used it on this other eye. It's a Juvia's Place 006 blending brush, and I'm going over these edges to really smoke out the shadow. In the center of my eyelid, I think I'm just going to apply the Diamond Bomb by Fenty. This is a glittery highlighter. And apply this up towards my crease, even above my crease a little bit. And I'm gently going to go over the edges to blend. Next I'm going to apply some false lashes and do my face off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I did my face makeup. I didn't apply the lashes yet because I want to fix the blending a little bit. Usually when you do your eyes first, of course the blending is not going to be as seamless when you apply your concealer and powder everything. I'm taking the Morphe M506 brush with no additional product on the brush and just going over this edge to fade things out. And then with that fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go over it again. That's it. I'm going to go and apply the lashes. Okay, I'm going to highlight my inner corner now because then I'm going to forget. I almost forgot to do that. Okay, I'm gonna take this highlighter from the Born to Glow palette by NYX on a small detail brush and just stamp this in my inner corner and under the arch of my brow. And here I like connecting it to the highlighter on the lid. Okay, the eyes are finally done and now it's time for the fun part, which is the lips. I'm going to line my lips with, I found this KVD Beauty liner in the shade Homegirl, which is similar, like has the same tone but it's slightly darker than my lipstick. And I'm going to use this. Hopefully it will come out right. And I'm going to use it to overline, especially in the center of my lip. It's kind of rare that I do my lips on camera, isn't it? With dark colors like this, there's no room for mistakes. Okay, now for the lipstick part. This is the KVD Beauty lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade Ruthless. And I'm going to apply this. Oh, so gorgeous. Slightly going over the lip liner as well. And that concludes this look. I hope you enjoyed how the look came out. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!